Aussie USD. Now we want to analyze the chart. We move to daily chart. Okay. As we can see, based on the daily chart, the price is still keep the up move, uptrend. But now the question is whether we can expect to get the correction similar to what we have here or not. How high this can move can, I mean, how high this one can go. How long we will be within this move, because when we have this kind of the move, we should expect any correction. Okay, before the continuation. Anyway, from what we have right now, we want to see whether we can get any correction. That means the price can drop, whether from here or higher. And what I can say, whether we can expect similar to what we have here or not. In this case, when we refer to indicators and even MACD, we don't have much information. Okay, we cannot rely on the indicators, and we don't have any trade based on the daily chart. If we move to forward chart, we want to see how we can trade it. Even based on the forward chart, we don't have much information. MACD doesn't show anything, and based on this, we have a divergence, but we are not going to rely on this. Okay, now the thing is, based on forward chart, we want to look into this. Okay, now the thing is, can we get one more correction here for this, for the next move up or not? Okay, because we are not sure how high this one can go, as I explained, based on daily chart, and based on forward chart, we don't have any trade setup as well. But what I want to say is that based on for 1 hour chart, whatever after explaining a bit the daily and forward chart, what I want to mention here, any buy setup we get, it doesn't matter based on which time frame, whether forward, daily, it depends on where we're getting the trade and where is our stop loss and target. But what I want to say is that we need to protect our trade. And what I want to say is we consider trade as a short-term trade in case there is a reversal or the bigger correction before the continuation. Okay, in this case, based on 1 hour chart, the only way we can trade if we get any correction here similar to what we have here, almost we're getting the correction. That means the only way to trade based on what we have, the only way is having entry above this. If any traders want to look for buy, okay, and again the buy setup we consider a buy. If we get any buy trade, any buy setup, we consider as a short-term trade. As long as we get into the profit, we start to manage it, or at least move our stop loss to break even. Okay, the thing is, may we can expect some big correction, whether from here or may the price move a bit higher, we get the correction before the continuation. Okay, anyway, if we want to trade, look for buy from this correction, the only, based on what we have right now, the only option is having entry below above this, and what we want is break and continue. Okay, similar to what we have here. And again, we consider as a short-term trade. As long as we get into the profit, we try to manage it. Rather than that, we don't have any more information or trade setup, and we just follow the chart. If I see any update or any trade setup, I will share on YouTube. Thanks.